You know, Barry, I love you a lot. I love you so much. You're a good girl. Yeah, you are. And Barry, you know, when you come in this house, you were so small. You was on the street side, and it was cold. It was snow out there. You know, Barry, it was so much snow, and you were running, and someone gave you some food, and you saw me passing, and you just kept running behind me. You were crying too much. You know, I felt so sorry for you. My heart goes out. And I said, you know what? I can't leave you behind. You know, Barry, I can't leave you behind because, you know, it was cold out there. And you're a good girl and you appreciate it, right, Barry? And you love me? You love me? I love you. Yeah, I love you too. And that's the great thing about life. We love each other. Okay? And I hope you live a long life. And Merry Christmas to you. Another year started soon, me and you again. Okay, Barry? Right? Me and you again soon. Next year start, next year will be greater. I want to buy you more food. And I stick by you, okay? And take care of you as long as I can. Okay. I love you too.